Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to download Minecraft on iPhone. Alright, let's begin. First, open the App Store on your iPhone. At the bottom right corner, tap on the search icon. In the search bar, type Minecraft and press enter. This will show you the official Minecraft app along with similar results. Tap on the official Minecraft app. If the app is free in your region, you will see a download button. Simply tap on it and the installation will begin. If Minecraft requires payment in your region, you will need to complete the purchase before downloading. Enter your Apple ID credentials or use Face ID to confirm the payment. Once the download is complete, tap Open to launch the game. You may need to sign in with a Microsoft account to access online features. After that, you can start playing Minecraft on your iPhone. So that's basically how you can download Minecraft on iPhone. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.